Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to use zoom on your laptop screen. To enable zoom, you have to use the combination of two keys, Windows and plus. This will enable the zoom on your laptop and you will see the magnifier bar on your screen. Now here, by clicking plus and minus buttons, you can change the zoom level, and by hitting the next two icons, you can reset the zoom level. Using play icon, you can read text from your screen.
Recycle bin.
And clicking this icon will let you choose the element from which you want to start reading.
Microsoft Edge.
Now in settings, you can change the speed of the magnifier by moving the slider, and you can also change the voice of the reader. You can also open more settings right here, but you can go to the settings from the start by opening the start menu, go to settings, then open accessibility, and then select magnifier. Here you can also enable the magnifier, you can change the zoom level and the zoom increment. And what's most important, you can change the view. So the view that you're seeing right now was the full screen view. Now the docked view looks like this, and you can adjust its size by moving this bar beneath it. Now, each view has its own settings. For example, the magnifier view has the settings of following, your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor and narrator cursor. By default, it follows each of these cursors, and you can make it unfollow it by hitting the checkbox next to the option, one of the options. Now, for full screen magnifier, you can also change the settings of following, but you can also decide whether you want to keep the mouse pointer either within the edges. Mouse pointer and text cursor is either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. For example, if we center mouse pointer on the screen, it will look like this. Now, as for the last option, lens, that I haven't showed you yet, and it looks like this, you can change the width and the size, the height of it, adjusting the magnifier to your needs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.